teammate. Ta-da! Tin ball.
It's called Tin Ball. Is this a person?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that guy.
He's tiny and
He is super tiny.
in his head is a ball.
Now look, tell me what this is. Is this a basketball goal?
Yes.
Nice job. Can I turn it around so I can see all of it? Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, you just scored.
Use his head as a mini
I
ball.
really like that you put a backboard on there. Nice.
And we,
So is there a special way to play this game?
whoever gets to 5 shoots in first
Uh-huh.
wins.
What did you think when you saw foil and tape as your material you had to use?
We thought it would be really hard
The most challenging part.
that we had to make these stand in the backboard in the net.
How did you make the legs work?
We rolled them up and then we got these little legs and taped.
So you had to roll the foil up.
Yeah.
What happened when you start scrunching the foil together?
It broke a couple times because it made a hole, but we fixed it. There was only 2 legs and it wasn't that sturdy, so I had to add one back leg. I had to tape it down so it would stay.